Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome. It's been 2 months since my last video here, but I am back to bring you guys one video every Friday. In today's video, we'll be trying Ohuhu's 8 glitter colors Polygel gel kit for the very first time, so stay with me. This kit comes with instructions, as you can see. It comes with 12 different sizes dual forms, the brush, a hand file, a cuticle pusher, slip solution, a top coat and a base coat, 4 glitters, a color gel, this one is clear, white, P13 pink, P14 hot pink, this one is my favorite, DP07, DP08, DP09, and DP10. This is how they look. They are so pretty. Now, I'm going to get everything ready to start doing my nails. For this set, I will be using tips instead of the dual forms because I do better with tips than the dual forms. I'm going to pour just a tiny bit of slip solution into a small container. For this set, I'm going to be using P13, white, this beautiful DP07, and clear. First thing I'm going to do is apply base coat on my natural nails. Then, I'm going to apply this beautiful pink on my thumb. Wet my brush and just have fun. I already can tell that these gels are so smooth to work with. The gel is not getting stuck on my brush and it's not runny, which is amazing because it won't flood my cuticles. The only problem is that I grabbed too much gel, so now I have to waste what's left. And this is how it's looking so far. I know it looks flat, but I will be encapsulating every nail with clear, so that's when I'm gonna be on my apex. I'm going to go ahead and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now, I will be doing the same thing for my index finger. As you can see, this gel stays in place. It's not flooding my cuticle area. Whatever is left, I will use it again on this finger. And this is how it looks. And I'm going to cure it in the lamp and repeat the same on my pinky. Now for my middle and ring fingers, I will be doing marble. First thing I'm going to do is grab something where I can mix my gels. I grabbed the duoform box. I know I'm crazy sometimes. But I'm going to take some clear gel and a bit of white and just kind of mix them together. Honestly, there's no right or wrong way to do marble. I feel like the messier, the prettier. Then I will be adding a little bit of this beautiful glitter and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And repeat the same thing on my ring finger. Now I will be encapsulating all of the nails with clear. After doing the rest of the nails, I will be reshaping and filing all of the nails with a hand file. Now top coat. And this is how they look. I realized that after I took my nails off, I didn't take better videos, but I posted some pictures on Instagram, so go to Nails by Rossely and show some love. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!